Creating a viral animal video might seem like a daunting task, but with the help of AI, it's easier than ever before. Imagine millions of viewers captivated by your adorable animated creation, their hearts melting with every playful hop, chirp, or squeak. With the right tools and strategies, you can make this dream a reality. This essay will guide you through each step of the process, from scripting to sound design, empowering you to unleash your creativity and captivate the world one adorable paw print at a time. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. The goal is to craft a video that resonates with viewers on an emotional level. Cute baby animals with their inherent charm and innocence are scientifically proven to elicit feelings of joy and warmth. By tapping into this universal language of cuteness, we maximize the chances of our video going viral. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity. You don't need to be a professional animator or storyteller. AI tools empower anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to create engaging and shareable content. With a dash of creativity and the right guidance, your adorable animal video could be the next viral sensation. The foundation of any compelling video is a well-crafted script. Start by brainstorming heartwarming scenarios featuring your chosen baby animal. Will it be a playful kitten discovering the joys of a yarn ball, or a clumsy baby panda learning to navigate its bamboo forest home? Once you have a basic storyline, AI tools like ChatGPT can help you flesh out the details. Input your ideas and let the AI generate dialogue, actions, and even witty captions. Remember to keep the tone lighthearted and engaging, focusing on actions that translate well visually. With the script ready, it's time to bring your characters and scenes to life through images. AI image generation tools like Leonardo.ai and Ideogram.ai are incredible assets for this purpose. Input specific descriptions from your script, experimenting with different art styles and prompts to achieve the desired look and feel for your video. Now that you have a collection of captivating images, it's time to infuse them with movement and personality. Luma Labs, formerly known as Minimax, is a fantastic AI-powered tool that simplifies the animation process. Upload your images, adjust the movement parameters to achieve the desired level of fluidity, and watch as your static scenes spring to life. Experiment with different animation styles, from subtle movements to more exaggerated actions, depending on the tone of your video. Remember, the goal is to create a visually engaging experience that complements your storyline and keeps viewers hooked. Once you're satisfied with the animation, export your clips, remembering to label them numerically for easy organization during the editing process. With your animated sequences prepped, you're ready to assemble your masterpiece in the video editing stage. The video editing stage is where you weave all the elements together into a cohesive and captivating narrative. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing app that offers a range of tools perfect for this purpose. Import your animated clips, arrange them according to your script, and use transitions to create a seamless flow between scenes. Enhance the visual appeal of your video with color correction tools, boosting saturation, contrast, and sharpness to make your images pop. Remember, a visually appealing video is more likely to capture and hold viewers' attention. Finally, add sound effects and music to create an immersive auditory experience. CapCut offers a library of built-in sound effects, or you can explore copyright-free options on platforms like Pixabay. Choose sound effects that synchronize with your animations, adding humor and impact to each action. Select background music that complements the mood and enhances the emotional impact of your video. With these finishing touches, your adorable animal video is ready to charm the internet.